Good afternoon, Wildcats. It's time for our awards assembly. The character trait award that I'm going to give is given to two students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited optimism in the month of March. The recipients are always positive and greatly impact all who interact with them. They are fantastic examples to their peers. Congratulations to our character trait award winners for the month of March. Zoe Beebe, Faith Clifton, Charlie Kellogg, Easton Allen, Lincoln Fleshman, Georgie Kaufman, Levi Kurzweil, Emma Rohrvig, Malachi Bickle Jr., Jaden Hargrave, Annabelle DeMauro, Jace Ekstrom, Nathan Fullerton, Allie McFadden, Maisha Zoe McClure, Grayson Hilbrandt, Lucas Carruthers, Skylar Davis, Jesse Franklin, Paisley Grass, Weston Glenn, Parker Fugate, Gabe Mooney, David Gravy, Kalia Clark, Connor Baker, Ethan Larkham, Braylee Smith, Dakota Bird, Noelle Bevan, Britton Schroeder, Blake Taylor, Caleb Vanalist, Zendaya Millentree, Butch Heineman, Stella Saunders, Braden Castile, Layla Hickson, Elio Ramirez, Kiara Newland, Mason McRoy, Riley Cox-Bisiano, and Harper Hanseross. Congratulations to all of our Character Trait Award winners for March.
Hello Wildcats, I'm here to present the Mathematicians of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Whether in class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today we're going to present our awards to our March mathematicians. Congratulations, Alex Hunter, Zoe Angel, Noah Vicinia, Michaela Coffey, Jeremiah Jenkins, Jade Hendren, Jackson Parkhurst, Noah Ramos, Reagan Pesso, Henry Marshall, Maggie Love, Ariel Ray, Bryce Gregory, Jordan Roach, Katie Harris, McKenna Lewis, Lakin Dunsmore Walker, CJ Kramer, Zachary Manchester, Aria Johnson, Alexis Cavender, and Maylee Schleem. Good job, guys.
Hey Wildcats, we are here to announce our winners for March. So we'll start with our third grade award, which is Service Above Self, which goes to a third grader who goes above and beyond. So this month's recipient of the Service Above Self award goes to Marley Courtney. Congratulations, Marley. Next awards are Wildcats of the Month, and they are sponsored by our Harrisonville Police Department. And we'll start with our first grade Wildcats of the Month. They are Storm Taylor and Finn Parkhurst. Our second grade Wildcats of the Month are Harmony Wallace and Jace Thomas. And finally, our third grade Wildcats of the Month are Grace Malone and Tanner Sexton. Congratulations to all of our Wildcat of the Month winners. And finally, Mrs. Sumner and myself as counselors, we always try to pick a class every month that shows good cooperation and asks great questions and treats each other with respect. So this month's recipient of the Counseling Award goes to Mrs. Knopfsinger's class. So congratulations to her class.
Hi Wildcats, I'm so excited to once again recognize some students who've been working really hard in the music room during the month of March. And I want to start with our class awards. The third grade winner this month was somebody who is earning it for the second time already this year. So congratulations to Mr. Barasco's class. In second grade, the winner is Mrs. Siegenthaler's class. And in first grade, the winners are Mrs. Jackson's class. Great job, Wildcats. Next, I want to announce the individual Music Star Awards. One student from each classroom, starting with our third grade classes. In Mrs. Brown's class, congratulations to Genevieve Oldham. In Mr. Barasco's class, Presley Ryman. In Mrs. Comfort's class, Gracelyn Barrett. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Cash DeShazer. In Miss Geary's class, Raylan Neal. In Mrs. Hawkins' class, Skylar Harris. In Mrs. Hopper's class, Marley Courtney. Then in our second grade classes, starting with Mrs. Durnell's class, Leighton Waters. In Miss Harrigan's class, Nora Davis. In Mrs. Hastings' class, Easton Darby. In Mrs. Holman's class, Ben Litchfield. In Mrs. Knight's class, Zane Dennis. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Aria Johnson. And in Mrs. Studley's class, Dane Clausen. Then in our first grade classes, Mrs. Brown's class, Zoe Beebe. Mrs. Cooper's class, Emily Michaels. Mrs. Florence's class, Devin Huckabee. Mrs. Jackson's class, Knox Tressel. In Ms. Maxwell's class, Owen Smith. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Amora Nims. In Mrs. Peterson's class, Finnegan Parkhurst. In Mrs. Snyder's class, Catherine McCain. Congratulations, Wildcats.
Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson in the art room, and I'm excited to announce last month's Art in the Community artist. For first grade, we worked on a butterfly that went along with the music program. We looked at symmetry, we looked at color mixing. They only had red and yellow paint to make their orange color, and we used a printmaking technique to create a shape that's the same on both sides. Carter Burkhurst, Wyatt Bird, Dawson Babb, Eli Bowers, Abigail Rose, and Lane Parrish. Great job, first grade. For second grade, we were also working on painting with different color schemes. We created a 3D effect on our mug of hot chocolate or a drink of the kid's choice. And we tried to create 1, 2, 3 spaces and use 3 different color schemes. The example was cool, neutral, and warm to create color contrast. In second grade, Easton Schote did a wonderful job. Emery Sanders, Kennedy Trainer, Millie Wolf, Easton Darby, Brady Schneider, and Chase Petschel. Great job, second grade. In third grade, we were also painting. It was a month full of paint. For third grade, we were looking at food-themed pictures and focusing again on 3D quality and color schemes. We also looked at tints of a color. So all the colors that the students had were mixed with white, and that was the example. For third grade, we want to say congratulations and thank you to Grace Malone, Jackson Henderson, Easton Spangler, Ronnie Mead, Bo Jones, and Cameron Rolberg. Great job, artist. Also, I want to give a shout out to Mrs. Harrigan's second grade class for being the Art Class Award winner this month. Thank you for all your hard work. See you soon.
Hello HES, Coach Thorpe here. I'm going to announce our Sportsmanship Award winners for this month. Our class winner is Mr. Barasco's class. Congratulations, you guys have been working so hard for this award. Very good job. Our first graders are going to be Inslee Morris and Armani Hampton. Congratulations. Second grade, Cora Hawkins and Benny Lettington. Very good job. Third grade, Brooklyn Guitar and Blake Cohen. Congratulations.
Hello Wildcats, this is Mrs. Lahman from the library, and I am presenting my library award to a class that has shown amazing improvement the month of March. They have been fantastic, and just the last 2 visits, I've even told their teacher they have been absolutely perfect. And so I'm giving the library award to Mrs. Hawkins' third grade class. Congratulations, and thank you for doing such a great job.